Hey guys, what is going on? This is Chris from TechBeard again with another video today, and I'm pretty excited. The kind folks over at Novostella reached out to me recently to take a look at their smart LED floodlights that they launched pretty recently. So full transparency, they did send this out for free, but no other money was exchanged in this, and this is all thoughts are still my own. So here they are. Now let's get to the unboxing. Alright guys, for this next part, we're going to link these up to the Smart Life app. So once you have that downloaded, you want to open that up. I already have one because I have some other smart home technology that utilizes this app. So from there, you're going to want to go to the plus sign at the top to add a new device. And in this case, it is a light, and it's also a BLE light, so Bluetooth in this case. So that's what you'll want to use. So you want to plug this in first. There we go, so now it's blinking. So we'll tap on this, confirm it's blinking, hit next. And there we go, we got the smart floodlight. I'm only hooking up one of them for right now. So we'll go ahead and add this. So now it's just gonna add for a second. All right, and now it's connected. So from here you hit next. You can then also rename it if you want, but from here I'll hit done. And then this is actually where you can control everything. So these lights get extremely hot if you have them on full brightness on 100%. So what I'm going to be utilizing these for is actually for videos, so lighting in my videos, and then also for product photography. I'm going to utilize it for that. So I'm going to lower this brightness down. Let's do 50% right now. Okay, and then from here you can also change the warm tone on this. So if you want a little bit warmer, you can do that. You can also just tap wherever you want. You don't actually have to drag it or anything. And then you can also do colors. I think this is what I'm going to use it a lot for as well, is just getting some interesting colors in some of my photos. So in this case, you can change it to any of the colors on here. And it updates really quickly too, as you're sliding this across. I'm going to do up some scenes. Again, I'm going to lower the brightness on this because it's really bright. So they do have some scenes here too. They're just kind of basic ones. So overall, I probably won't be utilizing this, but if you are somebody who likes this, you can definitely do that. There's also a timer on here. I think the timer feature is pretty cool, especially if you're going to use this, you know, for outdoor use or anything like that. So you can get a timer on that one. And then there's also a music mode, which actually works if you are going to be using and playing it from your smartphone itself. So if you end up you know, playing from an external speaker, there's no actual port on here, so there's no way for it to actually hear the music that you're playing. So it has to be done through the app. So on here, you do only this time, and then here, I'll just open up. Here. There you go. That's kind of how the music mode goes. It's honestly not the best music mode out there, but it works for what you need. So I'm going to turn that off, go back to color. And then from there you can also do a schedule. So you can schedule these, especially if you're using them outdoors, that's going to be best utilized for that. And then you have the power on behavior. So this does have memory on it. So if you turn it off with this color and then turn it back on, it's going to be on the same color that you had last. So you can also change these modes in here. So go back. And yeah, this is how it shows up in the Smart Life app. So up there has the floodlight, and it also has that Bluetooth in the corner. So again, if you want to hook these up with any of your smart home devices, so to be controlled with your Google Home or your Amazon Alexa, you don't have to get that external hub to hook that up. So just keep that in mind if you are going to be purchasing these and want to use that for that. You will have to get a separate hub to have these hooked up. Alright, so one thing I wanted to show you guys is something that I was getting a little bit creative with. So I have this extra tripod stand here, and the hole, so here's the other floodlight right here. The hole at the bottom here, obviously these are mounting holes if you want to mount them for outdoor use, but if you want to utilize them for indoor use, like I'm going to be using them for, this small hole right here is the perfect size for putting on a tripod stand. And what I did to secure that, I have this other kind of phone holder that I have here. For now, I'm going to probably upgrade this, but this is just for initial. You just tighten that on there to hold this in place. And then for this, I'm actually going to utilize these for lighting my videos from now on. So my intro that you saw, that was actually fully lit by only one of these. So I think it's really cool and just a great way to utilize this for other lighting effects, especially for photography and stuff like that. I'm probably going to use these for some of my setup pictures that I post on Instagram. Link in bio if you want to follow me there and you want to connect. I'll leave a link down below. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about this. If there's any other creative ways that you can utilize these, let me know. As I think this is just a really cool way. Also don't mind the cord there. That's just an extra DisplayPort cable for when I'm at work. I want to switch over to my work stuff. So yeah, I think it looks pretty cool, guys. Let me know what you think. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. Again, just kind of a breakdown of the main features for these floodlights. They work really great with the Smart Life app, and you can control both of them together, which I think is awesome. You can actually put these on a schedule, so if you are going to be using these for your home, like outside or anything like that, they're going to work great for that, so you can have them turn on when you're not there. But overall, for the price, I think they're really great. Last I checked, they are $60 currently on Amazon. And then also, if you want the hub to go with that, it should be on the same product page as these. And that's around $20 as well. So not too bad if you want to get the whole package. So I'll actually leave an Amazon affiliate link in the description below if you guys want to check that out. Again, let me know what you think in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for future videos. And then let me know if you have any other questions or anything in my setup that you guys want a full dedicated video on, so I can get to that content soon. Again, hope you guys have a great day. This is Chris from TechBeard.